Here's how to fix the server failed to boot error in Hytale. First, open your computer's search and type date and time settings. Click on the result and make sure both set time automatically and set time zone automatically are turned on. These settings are crucial for Hytale to run correctly. Once that's done, click Sync Now to ensure your time and region are fully updated. Next, we'll adjust your DNS settings. Open your computer's search again and type View Network Connections, then click on the result. Find your active connection, usually Ethernet or Wi-Fi, right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties window, scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, then click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and type 8.8.8.8 in the first field and 8.8.4.4 in the second. Make sure Validate Settings upon exit is checked, then click OK. After these steps, your network and system settings are properly configured and the server failed to boot error in Hytale should no longer appear. Try this out and it should fix the issue. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tips.